My name is Bill McQuillan, and I'm the construction manager here in Athens, Georgia. The construction manager's role here in Athens is to oversee the construction of all the single-family homes that we build and to ensure that we put out a good product. The services that America's Home Place provides, from my perspective as a construction manager, are to build a home with any of the options that the customer chooses here. We'll also go to the site that they've already purchased, and we will tailor the foundation structure to that site, find the best place for that home site, and build that new home for it. What is customizable here at America's Home Place in Athens is just about anything. You can have a block crawl space foundation, you can have a poured wall foundation for a full basement, all the way up through different finishes on the inside, granite, quartz, different cabinetry, runs the whole gamut from A to Z. I think the word is getting out that America's Home Place is a great place to have a house built, and they're becoming one of the largest scattered lot home builders in the country because they will do the right thing. But if there's an issue, not that there are very many of them, but we'll fix it. We'll make it right, and we won't stop until it is right.